And when it comes to payment, you said that it's going to be for appointment, correct?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
How much you going to pay for each appointment that I'm going to book?
Normally, when we did last emails, we was doing 120 per appointment booked. That's what kind of the rate was doing.
How's it going, man?
I'm good. Yourself?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Good. But same background. Good stuff.
Where are you located?
London. Wait, where was you?
Are you in London? Okay, I'm in Bangladesh.
Ah, nice. Very nice. So cool. So yeah, so give me a rundown in terms of obviously what you kind of do, provide, and yeah, kind of go from there really and see what the
Sure. Definitely, I would love to share that with you. Did I share my Upwork profile by any chance with you?
I don't think I didn't see it, so you might, but I've not seen that. So
Okay, not a problem. So let me tell you a bit more about myself. I've been doing freelancing for like around 5-6 years now, and I started my career as a cold caller on Messenger. Later on, I started focusing on media buying and email marketing. When it comes to email marketing, experience using different tools like Klaviyo, MailChimp, the Smartlead, Instantly, and then Limitless, Full Bobs. Most trending tools that people are using nowadays for email marketing, so I'm familiar with that. When it comes to setting up the domain with the email account to make sure the deliverability, I know the process like the DNS record, the PMOF, DKIM, SPF, those records so that we can make sure that email going to land into the inbox rather than spam.
perfect.
And then the next step would be getting the leads for you. Then get the subscription from different type of tools are available like Apollo, D7, Zoom Info. And once we get the lead, the next step would be verify those leads. You need to verify them whether they're still valid or not. Otherwise, our email is going to bounce.
Yeah.
In that case, we need a verified tool, Reon, Email Verifier, Minion Verifier, and there are some other tools in the market we can research. When we have budget, we can get one of them. Then once we are done with the setup, we should integrate those email account with the Instantly or maybe the software that you can buy and start the warm-up process. The warm-up process will take around 2 to 3 weeks, 14 days minimum. After that, we can start sending the email. Okay? When we start the warm-up process, instead of waiting and wasting time, we can start working on the email copywriting. We can start working on the lead listing, lead verifying, so that we do not waste our time.
Yeah, definitely.
We are done with the warm-up process, so that we can be ready to launch the campaign. Okay?
Yeah.
That's the basic process. And when it comes to email marketing, I work for multiple clients. I also already work for some UK clients, Australian clients, American clients, and I work in different niches, SEO, Facebook marketing, and then job recruitment agencies. I did for real estate agencies. Those are the things that I worked for in the past. Yeah, that's all about myself, man. And if you have any other question, you're most welcome to ask.
Yeah, no, that's kind of a good rundown. And like I say, but major for us, obviously, like we've got all the tools, we've got everything ready. It's just finding someone to kind of do it. That's the main thing I would say. Because obviously it takes up a lot of time and bandwidth, hence why obviously your timing was pretty good in terms of that side of things. So obviously we've got we use Smartlead. We've got a guy that can pull a product for us. We've got Charm.io. I don't know if you heard Charm.io, obviously using like ecom list as well. So we've got all that stuff. And if we use Neverbounce or clear out one of them too for the verification stuff. So we've got everything that's there. Obviously we would need to new domains. That's the main thing. Obviously getting all that set up, and then some obviously the management side of things. So that's all fine from that side. And the good thing in terms of what we do, obviously being in the TikTok shop kind of niche, is still quite fresh, it's still quite new. So again, obviously I feel like brands obviously more open to it as well, which is good. So again, I feel like it's a good opportunity for it to work as well, which is good. So yes, all I need to know obviously from your end in terms of obviously what you need from my side, how soon you can get proper running. Obviously, like I mentioned to you, like if it's an arrangement, obviously we'll do it based on booked calls to begin with. If that all works well, then again, happy to kind of move to more retainer kind of side of things. So yeah, it'd be good to kind of get your thoughts on that.
Okay, that's great. So I need the Smartlead access. When it comes to sending email, how many email you are targeting to send per day?
Much as possible, really. Just like I say, obviously, we want to just, many as possible. So obviously, ideally, we want to get about 5 or 10 booked calls. So yeah, just kind of work the number back on that, I guess, right?
How many domains? You bought the domains already or going to buy the domains?
Yeah, no, we've got some old ones, but no, probably need some new ones to match the brand. So I just need some know from your end how many you recommend, and so we can get that sorted today. That's no problem with that.
Planning to send 1,000 email, then I would recommend go for 12 domains and 36 email accounts. If you're planning to send 500 email per day, then go for 6 domains and 18 email accounts.
Yeah, I think let's do 6 sounds good to begin. Let's do 500, let's go do 500, 500, I think that'd be good, yeah.
And once you buy the domain, you can buy from any site like GoDaddy, Namecheap, whole bunch. And once you buy the domain, you can connect them with Google Workspace.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
If you know someone who can help you, but I don't know whether you have any idea or not, but if you buy it from Google directly, Google is going to charge you $7 per each user.
Yeah.
That like 18 user, it's going to cost you 18 multiplied by 7, $126. So what I can do can help you to get the reseller account, Google reseller account. That's going to cost you $3 per user. So 18 multiplied 3, that will be like $54 only. That means $70.
Perfect. Let's do that.
So once you buy the domain, I need the access of the domain. Fix the DNS record, and then we go and do the Google Workspace, the email account for you. Once I'm done with the setup, you can pay for the Google Workspace to me, okay? And that's a monthly recurring fee. If whenever you want to stop the subscription, you just need to let me know. Hey, bro, just stop the subscription. I don't want to pay for the Google anymore, okay?
Easy. Cool. Sounds good. But what else is needed?
And I need Smartlead access, domain access, and the service that you're offering, that you're selling. I need a brief rundown or in the sheet. So I'm selling. You can share that with me so that I can come up with the copywriting or a template.
Yeah, perfect.
I need that. Yeah, that's all I need for now. And when it comes to payment, you said that it's going to be for appointment, correct?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Is it going to be for based on show up rate, or if they don't show up, or what's going to happen?
Let's start by booked to begin with, because obviously that's a good part. You can kind of obviously get to that part. So we'll do it on booked. If they don't show, then obviously we can see what the fall-off rate is later on. But let's just do it based on booked course to begin with.
Okay. And if do you have any CRM to maintain those leads or not?
We've got Airtable that we use, but we might move over to Pipedrive anyway. I thought we might do so. We might integrate that. Just deciding which one's going to be best if we stick doing it through. So with Airtable, it's just a bit manual at the moment. That's the only thing. So obviously we use cal.com obviously for the calls to get booked in, and then we just need to kind of sync stuff in the back end for the CRM. So we'll probably stick with Airtable. I just need to figure out if Pipedrive can do anything better. So what are you saying?
You're using Attune?
Airtable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, what you just mentioned about Apollo are you buying the leads from some guy, or you have the subscription?
Some guy, literally just kind of send him the URL, what we need to pull, and then he just pulls it for us.
How much he's charging, if you don't mind me asking?
I can't remember. Let me look 1 second. I'll tell you. Yeah, so normally for I think 10k leads is, I think about $30, something like that. I think I just need to check if it is that. I'm sure, just for export, obviously it's not clean or anything, but I'm sure it's $30 for about 10k. I'm sure it's like that.
Okay, so I do the same. If you need help, I can do that as well. So
if it's easier, like to do all for you the same thing, that's fine.
I do the same. If you want me to get the Apollo leads, I can do the same with the same pricing. 10k leads, $30.
Perfect. Well, let's do that, because you just keep it streamlined then, because it's not having to go back and forth. That makes sense.
You can pay me through Wise. You have Wise?
Yeah, that's fine.
And mind me sharing how much you're gonna pay for each one that I'm gonna book.
Normally, when we do last emails, we was doing $120 per appointment booked. That's what kind of the rate was doing. Yeah, that's right.
And if we close the deal, is there any commission on that or not?
We can look into that. Obviously, I want to kind of see what the volume is and the quality. So once we've kind of got some data, then we can obviously discuss that. And I'm happy with that.
That's great, man. Are you on Facebook or WhatsApp by any chance?
WhatsApp's better.
Share my number here. Anything else you want
Yes.
to ask, man?
So yeah, turnaround time, how long to get set up, started?
Once you buy the domain, give me the access, let me know. And then I'm going to start working on the setup, okay?
Perfect.
It will be done by today. If we buy the domain today, then I can do the setup today, no worries. And then I will connect them with the Smartlead and start the warm-up process. Do send me your service offer that you're selling. Where is my...
Well, in fact, no, do it on WhatsApp, but I'm gonna make sure WhatsApp now. Do it on there. Perfect. So I guess then in terms of then outreach, we're probably looking to start. It'd probably be like towards the end of the month, and by the time obviously domains are warmed up, right? 1, 2, yeah, probably like the end of the month, I guess.
We start the warm-up process. Today is 6. Will take 14 days, so you have to wait until 20. We can start getting the email from 21st or 22nd.
Yeah, perfect.
In the meantime,
Cool.
work on the leads and the copywriting, and then definitely we can start getting the number, man.
Amazing. Sounds good to me. Okay, so on my end, get 6 domains bought and get access to everything, and then yeah, good to go then, right?
Okay, Ashley, it's been nice talking with you, man.
Good pleasure, man.
Good day. Bye-bye.
Speaking, bro. Take care. Bye, bye, bye.